Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is the worst way to handle a traffic ticket. So let's get into the video. Hopefully this is going to be a good one, man. I'm really hoping so. Let's see what they talking about.
I want to fight.
On May 14th, 2022 at 9:32 p.m., officers from the Whitehall Police Department in Ohio were called to the scene of an auto accident involving a vehicle that ran a red light. Once officers arrived, they found a chaotic scene. However, much of the chaos would revolve around a single person, hell-bent on blaming anyone but herself.
What's going on? Ma'am. What's going on?
I want to fight.
Okay, which car are you in?
This red one.
Okay. Who else was with you?
My cousin and my dog. They took off walking, and my cousin was the one that wanted me to drive him home in the first place.
Notice how the suspect wastes no time throwing her own cousin under the bus for the red light that she ran.
Which way did your cousin walk?
Bitch just made me get in the motherfucking accident that way.
What's your cousin wearing?
I don't even know. My dog, in black and fucking white, brown, black, white, whatever. That's all I know about my dog. My cousin just made me get in this accident.
What's your cousin's name?
Josiah.
Probably gonna need you to help me block westbound traffic, but you might want to go.
I'm ready to fight. I'm ready to fight.
No,
I'm ready to fight. No, sir. I'm ready to fight.
No, you're gonna go over here. You're gonna go over here.
I'm ready to fight. No, no.
Stop.
This man just made me get in an accident.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
You think I'm gonna just be calm?
108. Actually, help me with the speed.
Like, I really want to be.
Nah, it sounds like she more. Listen, I can understand you being frustrated. If somebody, made me get in an accident or something, I would be pissed too. But you can hear the slurring of the words and all that other craziness. It sounds like she intoxicated. That's what I'm getting. I may be wrong, but you know what it is? I feel like I'm always right. Because even when I'm wrong, I'm right. Nah, I'm just playing. But I do think, yeah, she's intoxicated though.
I want to be calm as I want, but this man just really rushed me.
You're gonna have a seat in the back of my car, okay?
I will, responsibly. Can you go get my shoe now?
No, we're gonna have a seat in the back of the
You
car.
can't go get my shoe?
No,
I'm not getting in your car then. I'm sorry, I'm not. Unless I get my shoe, I'm not getting in your car.
Okay. At this point, you're gonna be detained.
That's fine. Okay? That's fine.
Let me see your other hand.
Before I get in your car, can I get my shoe?
No, I'll get your shoe for you in a second.
Okay, but can you do that before I get in your car?
No.
Yeah. I'm not getting in your car. I'm trying to tell you. I'm not getting in your car. I'm not getting in your car. I'm not doing it.
Oh, wait, help me out here real quick.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Stop.
Unless my mom is here, I'm not getting in your car, sir. I promise you, I'm not refusing,
Ma'am,
but I'm refusing.
I do not want to fight you.
I don't care.
I do not want to fight you.
I don't care.
Ma'am.
I don't care. Sir? There's a guy in here still. Okay, well, can you get that guy out and can you make sure I'm not getting in his car? I'm not.
Stop.
Until my mom is here, I'm not getting in.
103. Help me get her in. Ma'am, I don't want to fight you.
Sorry, I don't want to fight you, but I don't want to get in.
Sit down.
Okay, okay!
Sit down.
You choking me!
No, I'm not.
You are!
I'm pushing on your
You push it out!
At this moment, an officer pulled the suspect into the car from the other side of the squad car. The suspect responded with a volley of kicks, allegedly striking a second officer in his side. And we're only 3 minutes into this encounter.
Hey, you're going to jail now.
I don't give a f***. Now, since y'all want to push up my motherfucking legs like y'all stupid.
Just kick 110.
See, this is what I'm saying. This is why we got to call my mama shirts, man. Call my mommy, man. That's what they always yelling for. I'm not getting into the car until my mom come and all this other stuff. Listen, mommy can't always coddle you now. You a grown adult. You made your own decisions. And this is what you get. Kick the officer? All right, shit. Take the felony shit. We don't give a fuck.
A female detained from the red sedan. Break for a 12. Does someone want to see if her cousin's walking that way?
Police caught up to the suspect's cousin further down the street, hoping he could provide more context as to what exactly happened leading up to the crash.
105. I'm with the other male at the mid-cliff entrance with his dog. What's going on, man?
Here.
I was in the car with her. I had to walk away because I'm having a hell of a night as it is. And the fact that she just
I'm with him.
got into a whole car accident and this all just happened. It's like I needed to get away. Like I couldn't be over there near all of that. I couldn't.
I gotcha. Well, you want to get checked out by medics?
I'm okay. I'm straight. It's just I want her to deal with her situations and what she got going on, man.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no issues telling y'all what happened. I just don't know. Like it just was a blur. Like
I gotcha. Were you wearing your seatbelt?
I was, yeah.
Okay. Where does she live? Who are you to her and all that?
That's my cousin.
That's your cousin?
Yeah, we just got done partying, having a good night. I'm kind of going through it with one of my friends, and she was supposed to be taking me home, and now that she's taking me home, and this.
Come on, man. You telling the cop you just got done partying, man. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Who parties sober, man? What did I say in the beginning? I said, yo, it sounds like she's actually intoxicated. I'm telling you, that's what it sounded like to me. And now that he just confirmed that, if I could figure that out, I know the cops can.
Happened, it's just a lot. And it's like
If I take you up to Speedway here, that way you're in a lit parking lot. Medics can look at you. I know you don't feel anything right now, but they can give you a quick assessment. And you can have the dog not running around in the back of my car.
I just want to make sure he's cool.
Go ahead.
He's really scared. This is the second accident he's been in with her. So
Before they leave, that male does not need medics, correct?
Do you want to get checked out by medics?
sure. As long as we can do it in the Speedway parking lot.
He said he wants to get checked out. I'm about to transport him to the Speedway parking lot.
I don't know if she's upset with me, but she got out yelling,
All right, I'll let her know.
going off. And it's like, this is your driving, you know. At the end of the day, this was your situation.
105.
I don't know what you did. I don't know what happened. I don't know how the accident happened. But at the end of the day, don't take that out on me.
Let's check back in on our suspect and see if she's calmed down any.
You're not gonna listen to me.
77, I'm on my way to you.
Y'all racist.
You mark me body cam, yes. 115 stuff.
Mom!
The victim in the other vehicle initially refuses medical care for fear of not being able to afford treatment. However, the police officer is quick to respond with sage advice.
I won't be able to pay my medical bills. I've never been in an accident.
Do you have car insurance?
Yes.
All right, well then
I have
insurance
full
should take care of
coverage.
and you're not at fault, so the other person's insurance should take care of your medical stuff. And if you got something going on,
I can't afford to miss work. I blacked out for a minute, and then I came to. Like I said, I was on my way to work. I'm a security guard.
Let's remind ourselves how the individual without the head injury is behaving.
You're not even trying to listen to me. I'm trying
Officer, I'm still in a lot of pain.
I think you should probably get seen by EMS, sir.
I already signed, tell him to let me go. But
Yeah.
We can change that.
You want to go to the hospital?
We're here. Let's make that a yes.
Due to the effects of adrenaline, victims of car crashes can oftentimes feel little to no pain immediately following a wreck. This is why it is always important to keep the victim calm and still, and to insist on medical treatment, even if there are no injuries that are immediately visible.
You're going with us.
I was on my way to work. I'm a security guard.
Always go. Always go. Always get seen by the medics. When you get into a car accident, I've been in a few accidents, okay? When you get into a car accident, whether you feel it or not or whatever, you document. Because, yeah, like they said, the adrenaline, you may not feel it. But 2 days from now, when you lay in the bed and you wake up in the morning and you like, oh, what is that? What is that? That's your body catching up from that car wreck that you had 2 days ago. You know what I'm saying? So you definitely want to document. And I understand him not wanting to go because of medical, you know, because even with car accidents, it's not always immediate that insurance will be paying because they got to go through the claim and figure out. They got their own investigations going on. So you may have to pay in the beginning and then you'll get reimbursed and all that other stuff. But either way it goes, if he got full coverage, he could pay it on his insurance, and then the insurance company will fight them to get the money back. You know what I'm saying? Like, trust me, I know. I'm a seasoned vet. You know what I'm saying? I hate to say it, but I have been in a few car accidents.
He collapsed. We're going to the hospital.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
This hitting me hard now. I don't want to die. Oh my God.
Let's contrast this scene with how the suspect reacts to receiving medical treatment.
My cousin! Hey, no!
Stop it.
Hey, no! Hey, no! He knows!
Why
He
you?
knows! He the one who started this!
Why are you screaming?
Because he knows!
Just gotta settle down a little bit. You get yourself all worked up.
I can't!
We're gonna check you out, okay?
77.
Can you sit forward? Why are you screaming? Screaming ain't helping a thing, sweetie.
Can you sit forward so I can check your pulse and your oxygen level?
Wow.
Luckily, another motorist stopped and provided the police with the missing details.
All right, so we're stopped here at the red light. Stopped at the red light, it goes green. This red car came from this way and went through the red light and slammed into him. He was going this way, I was heading this way. I'm in the white car, I was directly behind him. A guy got out of that car and I don't see him. He's gone. There was a little young short kid. She was the one driving. Okay. A young kid got out of here, got on the phone. He was down there on the phone, and I don't see him out here anymore. But there was a young man in that passenger side for him. But he was going straight, red through red lights. He was coming this way and slammed into them.
The suspect provided the final details that would solve the case completely.
I just got some Chipotle. Like, I was ready to eat.
I saw that shit.
That's how you know. Like,
I thought it was cute. I was all over my arm. Yeah. Let me take this off your finger, man.
I'm ready to fight. I'm ready to fight. I didn't even get to enjoy my meal.
I'll go see if I can get it out. I don't know. Most of it's all over the floor.
Oh, I can't even enjoy it like that.
Cool. Everything's checking out. She's good? Yep. All right. Lasagna?
I want to fight.
I know you want to fight.
I want to fight.
Let me make sure these are adjusted to you well enough, okay?
Did y'all get my dog?
Yep, we found him and your dog. All right, go and have a seat for me,
Taking me
Lasagna.
to jail.
Well, right now you're gonna have some criminal charges, okay? So go ahead and have a seat for me. Well, you kicked another officer and you wouldn't get in the car when I told you to. So you're probably gonna have an obstruction and assault on a PO, okay?
Can I get my mama back?
Not right now. I don't think your mom's here right now.
This is mom.
We're doing that now, though.
Hey, did you tell her she's not gonna have a bond? She's not gonna have a bond or anything. She's gonna have to sit till she sees a judge on Monday.
Okay.
Is it your dog or her dog or the man's dog?
It's her dog.
Okay. But the man had the dog that walked down the road, but he had to be back there.
Everybody's all right. Now, did you
Everyone's okay. Did you tell them charges? Yeah. Okay. Even assault? All right.
This man is really f***ing
After running a red light causing a major accident and kicking an officer, court documents indicate that the suspect took a plea deal and was charged with a misdemeanor resisting arrest. She was released on time served, having spent a total of 2 days in jail.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.